Once, I nearly got fucking everything.
All of us dead. Except for the one who wants to be dead.
Nearly got
Fucking everything!
Tommy, you've got to come back with me.
Should come back when you tell me to, Ada. I've got a war of my own, Ada. Inside of my head. Ada. I see things. It nearly doesn't count. And throughout it all, I had me family. We are reunited now. In whichever place will have us. Burn my body. Let the ash blow. I am free.